TeraFlex is a manufacturer. We build all things Jeep. You know, things like premium suspension systems, body armor, heavy-duty axles, and of course our Falcon Performance shock division. Our roots date way back to the 50s when we began as MEPCO, Military Equipment Parts Company, a distributor of Jeep parts and accessories. Now, in 1996, Jeep made a significant change to its lineup in the form of a coil spring suspension. And with 60 plus years of Jeep knowledge and experience behind it, the TeraFlex brand began to manufacture parts in-house to fill the component needs of the ever-changing Jeep market. With our extensive background in Jeeps, TeraFlex has continued to grow and manufacture accessories for each new platform. Our product line is ever expanding to include numerous first-to-market innovations. If you have a Jeep, you know TeraFlex. The name and its comprehensive lineup of performance parts are synonymous with quality, dependability, and unsurpassed customer service. Get the TeraFlex Advantage. Now that's not just a slogan. Okay, well, I guess it is, but you gotta admit it, it's a good one, because the advantage is real.